So do you want to know how to create a service value stream for restoration of a live service? Well, I'm Jo Peacock with ITProTV, and I'm going to show you what the pros know. We're going to start off with the service value chain. This is a diagram that you know really well. And we're restoring a new service, so of course we're going to start with our users. We're actually, where we are is we are here. We're currently in business as usual. And that's what deliver and support means. We're delivering a service and we're in business as usual. So we're in delivery. We're delivering a service. Unfortunately, though, because of perhaps a failure or an interruption to the service, value is not being co-created. Value is not there right now. So we're going to move then from support, which is what we are providing. We're going to move from support right the way through to demand. Demand is what's coming into IT. In other words, the demand in this instance is an incident. So that means that it's going to come in via an email, or maybe via event management, or maybe via a phone call, or even a self-help tool or self-help logging tool. Now that means that it's coming in from our users. So the first thing that we have to do is engage with our users. It's the first thing that we have to do. And at that point in time, we're going to be raising an incident. And so we go back to support, because support is raising the incident. Now, it might be really, really simple, and we can restore normal service operation very, very quickly using incident management. And therefore, in that instance, then that arrow will go back here through to products and services, and then we restore value. That's really simple. But what if it's not just about resolving the incident? What if we need to actually ascertain what the problem is, what the root cause is of that incident? In which case then, I'm going to change the color of my pen and I'm going to go back to here. We're in support, and now we're going to raise a problem to identify the root cause. And at that point in time, well, we realize that we actually need a change to be raised to resolve that particular problem. So now we go then from this arrow, from support, through to transition. And in transition, we're raising that change request. And at that point in time, obviously we know the process for a change request. It goes perhaps through to the CAB, it goes from assessment and evaluation. And at some point in time, we're going to make a decision as to what we do with that change. So do we obtain something new? If we do, then we want to engage with our external stakeholders, or do we build a solution in-house? Either way, we're building or obtaining, we're creating something new. And then what we will then do is we will transition that into the live environment once it has been built and once it has been tested. Let's not forget testing. From transitioning into the live environment, then the value stream comes back here to delivery. And that new update is then delivered to a business as usual environment. Then it's at that point in time that the problem record is then resolved, as long as the user is happy with that particular solution. And of course, it prevents further interruptions to service. So at that point in time, we are then re-enabling value co-creation. That's just one example. There are many, many examples, and they will all be tailored to the needs of your organization for a service value stream that restores a live service. And of course, it's not just one particular service value stream for your organization. Even in your organization, you will have many service value streams. So check out our playlist for more great What the Pros Know. Oh, and be sure to subscribe to our ITProTV channel. But for now, I'm Jo Peacock, and you know what the pros know.